Hey guys, good morning guys. So I just woke up guys and we're having coffee this morning. Coffee this morning guys. And the cover of this mini electric pot was broken, so wouldn't be cut. No, I forgot because last night before I sleep I boiled a banana. This is the banana. So what we're going to do is just transfer this one here and then we will steam it again to you don't see my what I am doing yeah. I just put it here on the top. So while we are waiting for the water to boil guys, so how are you everyone? I hope everyone is in a good mind condition, in a good will and a good spirit. I hope everyone this is the banana. Okay. Yeah. So this banana guys would be my breakfast. So yes, and I put some margarine. Okay. So yes, I hope guys every one of you will have a very nice day, and I wish you all that you're in a good mind state condition, because not everyone in this world now having a good mentality, in a good mind condition. Someone is fighting for their mental health, because of the world now is so stressful. By the way, this is the banana. I will show you. I hope everyone happy. Because guys, I have my friend. I was met him yesterday. So he is my colleagues before when I was working in a corporate industry. He is fighting, and he is in a battle of uncertainty or unclear, because I don't know if I can able to say it here, the term, because it is more in a medical term. But yes, he's fighting for his mental condition. And yes, that's why I am telling you guys that I wish that you all have a nice day and happy thought, and you're in goodwill and in spirit, because not everyone at this time, at this moment nowadays, having a good or in a good mental condition. Because I understand people acting like that on these days, because especially here in our country, where we're facing a lot of challenges. But yes, I guess it's not just here but all over the world. So yes, I wish everyone, I wish you are happy, I wish you are because guys, if you are having, if your mind is not in a good condition, you may hurt someone, and you provoke someone to do such thing that they don't want to do to somebody. Because what my friend told me, he don't like anyone and anybody in this world. He was a man hater because of his mind condition. So everyone is, to him, everyone is considered as, as not good. I don't know what to use in proper word or words in medical term, but he hates everybody as he hates himself. Yeah. So he lost a lot of friends, a lot of even the families. He lost even his partner in life. He lost it because no one would ever understand him, barely and clearly, because of his strange behavior. So it's so sad. But anyways, let's protect our peace of mind for those people or for any situation that may affect you. More important is your mental health. So if you think that someone bothered or any situation bothered you, just let it go, be free, and keep your peace of mind, and at least, or as long as, and you should protect it, because happiness is everything, as I told you. So yeah, I just really woke up. But anyways, it was raining last night, and this is what happened. And I have enough water here, so maybe I will be going to take a bath later here. And yes, so guys, that's it, because I really just woke up, and I like it here. Okay, because I just woke up, and I am not in Australia, I'm here in the Philippines. So I just woke up, and I will finish the coffee and do my morning routine, because coffee and book is a perfect combo for me recently, because to have a peaceful morning, I start that way. So I have to finish my coffee here. So yes guys, that's it ha. Just keep in mind that you have to be happy always, and I wish you every day and every single day, to everyone, to every single human being here, that I wish that you are always in a good mind condition, you're always in happy thoughts, because, and always protect your inner peace, because not everyone in this universe, in this world, in this earth has that mind condition. What I'm saying is has a good, or in a good mind condition. Yes. So see you in my next videos, and thank you very much. Adios, mi amor, and keep safe.